في القلب مشاعر أخفيها قد أشرقت الشمس عليها.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another Ramadan reminder from Taleem Institute. In the month of Ramadan, when we enjoy our iftar, we know we should be having dates, we should be having breaking our fast on dates and water, or dates and zamzam if it's possible. But we forget that it is also a sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ to have tamar, to have dates for suhur. Because Prophet ﷺ says, نِعْمَ السُّحُورِ مُؤْمِنْ التَّمَرِ, that how good or how blessed is the meal of a believer with dates shortly before dawn, meaning suhur time. So to have dates is also a sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ at the time of suhur. So we know the blessings of having suhur, which is the meal before dawn, before fajr time. So having dates at that time is also a sunnah. So may Allah give us the ability to act upon this. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.